There is money on TikTok. Come, let me show you how to create an international TikTok account in any country, from any part of the world, wherever you are, with just your phone and data. No VPN required. Yes, you heard me right. No VPN. Like, you get paid for every 1,000 views, just like YouTube. I know this because I am monetized on TikTok. Like, I monetized my international TikTok account within 3 weeks. Now I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved this in this video. For you to start in on TikTok, you have to apply for the Creators Reward Program. Also, the TikTok you are using should be created in one out of the 7 countries eligible for TikTok monetization. Either USA, UK, Germany, South Korea, Brazil, Italy, and France. These are the 7 eligible countries. So if you have any family, relative, or friends over there, you can reach out to them to open an account for you. After opening the account for you, they can send you the login details. But if you don't have anyone over there, or if you don't have money to pay influencers to open one for you, do not worry, I got you. Just watch this well-detailed video to the end without missing any step. Who knows, after watching it, you can use it and start making money by creating and opening for people with just your phone, no VPN. I will also show you how you can grow and earn fast on TikTok. Now there will be a giveaway towards the end of this video. Do not miss it for anything. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. My name is Jovita Ume, and the first step is to open your TikTok app. You don't need to delete the app from your phone. Remember, we are not using VPN for this. If this is your first time and you don't have the app in your phone, or if you don't know how to get it, iPhone users download from App Store, Android users download from Play Store. For those that already have the app, click down here on profile. It will take you to this. So this is what yours should be looking like. But if you never have the TikTok app, like you just downloaded the TikTok app and you have never logged in before, you are going to see something like sign in or log in. This is what mine looks like. I will click on the name or the small down arrow here, and it will bring out the TikTok accounts in your phone. If you have not logged in before, go ahead and sign up. Next, you will see this add account down here. Click on it and it will take you to this phase. Go down to this. It says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy and cookies policy. If you notice, the Nigeria there is bold. So, depending on your country, for example, if you are in Ghana or Canada, this place showing Nigeria will be showing Ghana or Canada, depending on where you are or your country. So now, this is where the trick comes in. Select any country of your choice out of the 7 eligible countries I listed out earlier. Most people prefer UK, that's United Kingdom. So go ahead and click on your country. Mine is showing Nigeria. I will click on it. It will take me to this phase which says select country or region. Click on the search bar to search for your preferred country, or you scroll up to select. I will scroll up and select United Kingdom, that's UK. After selecting, it takes you back to this phase, and as you can see, the country has changed to my preferred country out of the 7 eligible countries. I am now automatically in United Kingdom. Next thing I'm going to do is to create the UK account, and to do that, scroll up to this phone number section at the top. Phone number or email. If you are an Android user, this is what you are going to see. So whether iPhone or Android, we are going to be working with the continue with email. Remember, we don't live in the UK, so we don't have any phone number from there. Unless maybe you have, then you can use that option. But for this tutorial, we are working with the email. It's advisable to create a new email account for this. So go ahead and open a new email account. Please do not use the email account you used in opening your local TikTok account. So after creating the new email account, write down the email address somewhere and click on this continue with email. It will take you to this phase. Go ahead and enter the email address you wrote down, the one you just created. For those that will come to complain in the comment section, please watch to the end of this video, because I will be sharing the do's and don'ts as regards this international TikTok account. I will just type in my email address, scroll down to this continue and click on it. If you click on it, you are going to see create password. To create password, the first one says minimum of 8 characters and maximum of 20 characters. The second one says 1 letter, 1 number and 1 special character. Example, hashtag, exclamation mark and @ Then the third one says strong password. If you create your password, write it down in your diary or something. That's if you know you easily forget things. This is mine and it's strong. After entering the password, click on this continue. It will take you to the next phase, which is your birthday. Please note that if you are less than 18 years, you can create but you won't be eligible for the TikTok monetization. So you must be 18 years and above before you can apply for the Creators Reward Program. Scroll down and select your birth date, month and year. After selecting, you click continue. It will take you to this phase. Here, they are trying to confirm that you are not a robot. So go ahead and solve the puzzle like this. After that, next is to verify your email. Minimize your phone, go to your email, copy the 6-digit number and type it here. After verifying, it will take you to the next phase, which says create nickname. It can be any name you like and it can be changed later. If you skip it, TikTok will automatically assign a default nickname to you. It's also called username. I will go ahead and type in the username I want for this UK TikTok account. After typing in your nickname, click on continue and boom, your TikTok account is ready. This is what your new page is going to look like. So congratulations for making it to this level. Everything is 000, showing that it's a new account. Now, to confirm that you are on the right track, that this is an international TikTok account that can be monetized, UK account precisely, the first thing you need to check is to click up here, this 3 dash. It will bring out this TikTok studio, balance, my QR code and settings and privacy. Click on TikTok studio. It will take you to this phase under monetization. If you are seeing creator rewards program and creators marketplace, then trust me, you are on the right track. Yes, your local account does not have creator rewards program. Secondly, under balance, the currency should be showing your preferred country's currency. As you can see, mine is showing pound sterling. Thirdly, go to your settings and privacy, click on account. You will see TikTok shop for seller. If you see these 3 things, then you are on the right track. Go ahead and start creating valuable content. But you also need to meet up with the monetization requirements before you start earning. Like I said earlier, I reached my requirements within 3 weeks of hard work and consistency. Now, the requirements are: first, you have to be 18 years and above. Secondly, you will have to get to like 10,000 followers. Then thirdly, the third one, you must have 100,000 views within 30 days. Yeah. Trust me, it sounds hard, but it's very easy to reach. I will be sharing with you guys how to meet up with these requirements faster, like how to grow and earn faster on TikTok. It took some 1 week, some 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and so on. So what you have to do is subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell. On your notification bell now, so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video on how you can earn and grow faster on TikTok. It's going to be well detailed and self-explanatory, so do not miss out. I said I have a giveaway for the first person to watch this video to the end, and I will also be sharing the do's and don'ts for this UK international TikTok account to work for you. Please, for you to open this UK international TikTok account successfully, make sure you don't have issues with your phone IP. If you have issues with your own, fix it before creating this international TikTok account so that it will work for you. In case you're having issues with your phone IP, it's advised to take out your SIM card, then connect to a Wi-Fi before creating this international TikTok account. Or you use a new phone entirely, or maybe a phone that you were not using before. Please do not go and remove your SIM card though. This is just for people having issues with their phone IP. So before the giveaway, please and please do not start uploading after creating this international TikTok account. Wait for like 3 days. Yes, after 3 days, you can now start uploading your content. Also, after creating this international TikTok account, please do not log in back into your local TikTok account. You can decide to try. If it works for you, fine and good, but it's advisable to do this in a different phone. So for the giveaway, I am giving out this account to the first person to watch this video to the end. Yes, this very account we just created, I don't need it, so I'll be giving it out to the lucky winner. I will know if you really watch this video to the end because I will ask you some questions to confirm. So just type that you watched to the end in the comment section and I will check and give you the login details. Congratulations to the lucky winner. Our next video will be on how to grow your TikTok page organically and faster, so as to reach the requirements faster. Click on this picture to subscribe now and on your notification bell for more DIY videos like this.
Like this video, drop a nice comment and share. I will see you in my next one. Bye.